Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Kimoto, and for today's video, magko-coffee hopping tayo here in Green Hills. So, yep. Set lang natin yung location kung saan tayo pupunta, which is here in Green Hills. Alright. Wait, this is not it. Yep, this is the one. And there you go. Connected na siya. Ganun lang. Kasimple mag-connect ng GPS. Built-in GPS ng CF Moto. At kung ano yung nakikita mo sa iyong phone, ganun din yung mag-reflect sa iyong dashboard. So, yeah, let's go. So today is Wednesday at naisipan ko na mag-breakfast, right? Or I'd say like brunch na din dahil around 10 a.m. na din ang oras natin ngayon. At kagabi nakita ko tong coffee shop na to, which is looks interesting actually. Yeah, why not, di ba? Puntahan natin para makita natin at matikman yung mga coffee nila. At the same time, yung foods nila. Balita ko, meron din silang naka-display na sports car sa loob ng coffee shop nila. So, that's interesting. Actually, malapit lang yung lugar. I think like 3 kilometers lang to. Hi. Hot here, bro. Expect natin na traffic dahil rush hour na ganitong oras, pero since malapit lang din naman pupuntahan natin, kaya tolerable naman yan. Sakto green light na. Tapat sa'yo, parang grupo din yan yung sticker na yan. Parang may nakita ko ganyan sa Facebook. Oo, sa Petron. Caltex pala. Caltex ba yan o Petron? What happened, guys? Ba't tayo nag-stop? Grabe naman traffic dito ah. Malapit na tayo. Turn left tayo, turn right tayo dito. There you have it, guys. Oliver Coffee Bistro. Nice. Tara, parking tayo. Okay. Ang lapit lang. Popost ko pa ba ito sa YouTube? Anyway, ang gagawin na lang natin is i-vlog itong coffee shop. Yeah, kung yung overall experience natin. Alright guys, dito na tayo. Pasok tayo sa loob. As you can see, pagpasok nyo pa lang, makita nyo na yung showroom nila, which is for today's video is ang Ferrari. You know, forma. Ano kaya nila to pinapasok? Grabe. Pogi. It's actually my first time na makakita ng ganito in person. Wow. Yan ang when. Slipan natin yung engine niya. Yes sir. Solid. This naka-carbon fiber na. Wait. Anyway guys, ito tayo naka-tupo. So as you can see, wala pang mga tao, tayo lang actually. Yeah, thank you. So guys, mag-order ako ng Spanish latte nila, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, looks yummy. Comment mo naman below anong Ferrari to. Dahil hindi ko alam, Italia ba to? Italia 458. Minsan iba yung naka-display dyan sa naka-red color red. Kasi yun yung Ferrari. Napaka-spacious ng lugar. Premium sofa. Napaka-coffee. At dito siya sa likod ng Petron. So it's nice. At parking nila, spacious naman din. Dami silang parking, nakareserve for its shop. Cream. That's my side view for this one. Let's see yung breakfast na in-order ko. Ayun guys, dumating na ating food. So ang in-order natin is Wagyu breakfast nila, which comes with the strip loin, the beef, at 2 eggs na sunny side up. Then may garnish at rice over the top of rice bowl. Tapos meron din siyang suka. Ayan. So kain tayo guys. So how was it ba? From my side, very generous naman. Ang daming rice. Yung beef niya, nasa sweet side siya dahil dun sa sauce niya. And kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng suka talaga para mabalance siya. Pero overall, sobrang sarap naman. I rate it 9 out of 10. So, yeah, ubusin na natin to. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog na coffee hopping dito sa Oliver's Coffee Bistro. Yeah, so far very good naman ang kanilang service at ang kanilang food. Pati na rin ang sports car na nakita natin kanina. So, I think yung mga ganito na statement, parang you should take it as a motivation as a person na you need to work hard, but not just hard, but to be work wise and smart. So yeah, that's how life goes, di ba? Di naman lahat nakukuha mo agad-agad. It comes with something, a sacrifice, a dedication. Like us, di ba? We don't have big bikes dati. And it's my first time na magkaroon ng isang big bike. And I'm very happy, to have this big bike. Wala akong pagsisisi. And yeah, you just enjoy what's on the present and just live with it. Who knows, di ba? In the future, you can have those din naman. And yeah, just keep pursuing what your goals, your dreams. And yep, that's it guys. Ride safe. See you next.